You need to watch the truck.
Oh yeah, thanks. Good reminder. Locked? Yep, it's locked. Chip and I are here in Madera Canyon. It's Monday, the 15th of August. We're gonna go see if we can't make our way up Jack Mountain. It's a mountain that's right in the middle of the canyon, and I've never been up there. It'll be kind of fun to explore. Go up Jack Mountain so bad. Seems like every time I set out to go up there, something gets in the way. And this hike with Chip was no exception. So here we're gonna peel off and we're gonna go up to Josephine Saddle. So we're a half mile from Josephine Saddle. We'll see what it's like up there, have a little bite to eat. And then maybe see if we can't find the top of Jack Mountain, which can't be more than a mile, probably more like a half mile from there. Here it started to sprinkle a little bit and we saw people coming back down the mountain. They're like, oh, we got to get out of the rain. And Chip and I thought, well, what the heck? We're just going to keep going. How bad can it be? We are really close, but it's starting to rain very hard and we're going to head out of here. Pretty awesome to be out in the rain. I feel like a kid again.
Yep.
Playing in the rain.
Playing in the puddles.
So I'm testing this camera gear pretty good. It's getting pretty wet. It's pretty amazing how versatile this GoPro stuff is. Hello.
A little wet.
Oh yeah. That's the echo across all the other mountains. Wow, that really echoes. Wow, it's like somebody's dumping a bathtub over us. The rain's really starting to let loose now.